Today we're solving system of equations by elimination. The goal is to solve the system, these two equations, for x and y at the same time. To do this, we need to try and cancel the x's or the y's. So on this problem, what we're going to do, I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2. Everything is going to get multiplied by 2 so that they can cancel the y's out. And you'll see this in just a second. So if I multiply the top equation by 2, that new equation is 4x plus 2y equals 12. The bottom equation I'm going to keep the same. So it's going to stay 4x minus 2y equals 4. Now we're going to add these two equations together. Once I add these together, the y values cancel. And I'm left with 8x is equal to 16. Then you just solve this by dividing by 8 to both sides, and you'll end up getting x is equal to 2. So I'm more than halfway done with my problem. I still need to find my y value. So once you know your x value, you can plug it into either equation, either the top one or the bottom one. For the top one, I think is the easiest to plug it into on this problem, but it might be the bottom one for a different one. So I'm going to take this 2 and plug it into the top equation. So the top equation, again, is 2x plus y equals 6. Do not use one of your modified equations. Use one of the originals. So there's my 2x plus y equals 6. I know that x is 2, so it's going to be 2 times 2 plus y equals 6. 2 times 2 is 4 plus y equals 6. And all the things I have left to do is to subtract 4 on both sides. And I'll be done. And I get also 2. It's just circumstance that this answer is the same as this one. Okay, most of the time, they're actually different. I can write my answer as an ordered pair, 2, 2, like that. Let's try another one. Let's try this one over here. So we'll do the same idea. We're going to try and cancel one of our variables. On this one, I'm going to try and cancel out the x's. So again, I'm going to take my top equation and I'm going to multiply it by 2. Doing that, I'm going to try and cancel the x's, and we'll see what happens. So 2 times all of the top is going to give me 4x plus 6y equals 12. The bottom equation is 4x minus 6y equals 12. Let's go ahead and add these together. When I add a positive and negative 4 together, they're going to cancel out. So those are gone. And it just so happens that my 6's cancel also. So I get 0 on this side, and I'm left with 0 equals 12. This is a special type of system. When the result is like this, where 0 is equal to 12, or some number equals another number, and there's no variables to solve for, you just have to ask yourself, is this true? And no, 0 is not equal to 12. That means that there is no solution. What's really happening on this problem is that if I had graphed it, we're going to have 2 lines that do not intersect. So there's no possible way for you can get a solution where they intersect. They would be parallel lines. So again, when they cancel and the result is false, there's no solution to your system.